Good evening, students. Today I am going to discuss about the next chapter, principles of inheritance and variation. And this chapter is belongs to the genetics. So who is the father of genetics means Gregor John Mendel was the father of genetics, and he conducted so many experiments on pea plants and how the genes are transferred from one parent to another parent. That means parent plants to their offsprings. So like monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross, like that. So many experiments are conducted by the Gregor Mendel. Okay, coming to the chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn about some keywords. They are very important. These are all new words. See principles of inheritance and variation. First, we are going to learn about what is inheritance. See, what is inheritance? Inheritance means it is a trait or variant. Inheritance is a trait or variant. So, which is code on DNA? Which is code on DNA? Which is code on DNA. So what is inheritance means? It is a trait or variant which is code on DNA and passed the parental characters to their offsprings. And passed parental characters to their offsprings. So this is the definition of the inheritance. Next we are coming to the variation. What is variation? See, variation means change. The changes occurs in the DNA. See, changes occurs in the DNA. So these changes, when the changes occurs in the DNA, then the characters are also, new characters are also evolved in the new generation. Remember. So these inheritance or variation, which is responsible for this? Who is responsible for this variation and also inheritance? That is important. See, which is responsible means that is a chromosome. What is that? Chromosome. So where the chromosome is located, already you know the chromosome is present in the nucleus of the cell. See, for suppose this is cell. Inside the cell consists of nucleus. So inside the nucleus consists of chromosomes, like here. See, these are the chromosomes. So these are called chromosomes. Then what is chromosome? Chromosome means these are thread-like structures. So chromosomes are which type of structures? thread-like structures. So they are look like a threads which is present in inside of the nucleus. So what is chromosomes means? Chromosomes are thread-like structures and which are made up of DNA and proteins. So which is made up of DNA and proteins. Remember, see, the chromosomes are made up of DNA and proteins. Okay, now coming to the point. So how the chromosomes are look like in the inside of the nucleus. See, I will draw here. For suppose chromosomes are different types. Some of the chromosomes they are look like this. This is one type chromosome and this is another type of chromosome. So inside of the chromosome consists of a genetic material. What is the DNA? Double stranded DNA like this. So double stranded DNA. Here also double stranded DNA. See, this is the whole structure is called what? Chromosome. Chromosome. So this whole structure is also chromosome. So what is the difference between these two chromosomes? See, which is single chromosome and which is double chromosome. Remember, both are single chromosomes. Both are single chromosomes. But how they are look like this? See, this chromosome is a normal chromosome. Normal chromosome. Normal chromosome means before the cell enters into the cell, before once it is not participate in the mitosis either meiosis, before cell division the chromosomes arrangements are look like this. Once the cell involves in the cell division, here the DNA it replicate and it forms a same copy of DNA here. Same copy. See, this kind of chromosome which is involved in the cell division, here the DNA replication is start, then one DNA it forms the exact copy of the another DNA. See, these kind of chromosomes we are properly seen in the metaphase. So before the cell division the chromosomes are look like this. So in this chromosome some part of the chromosome we are called as a special name. What is that? Next one is called a gene. What is gene? See here. For suppose this portion, here this portion, or here this portion, or here this portion, any one portion or any one part. See, this part of the chromosome we are called as a gene. So what is gene? What is exactly gene? Gene means gene is a part of DNA. Gene is a part of DNA. Gene is a part of DNA which makes the complete RNA. Remember, or which forms the complete RNA. Complete RNA. So that is the gene. What is gene? A gene is a part of chromosome and also sorry, gene is a part of DNA which forms the complete RNA. See, so some portion of the DNA, it forms a thread-like arrangement. This thread-like arrangement is called what? RNA. Then finally RNA is converted into the RNA forms the protein. So this protein, it forms the particular character in the organism. It is responsible for, it is helpful for the particular character. Particular character in organisms. So what is the character means? For suppose eye color, black eye color or blue eye color or brown eye color, like this. This kind of the character is responsible for the gene, where the gene is present, DNA. So what is gene? Gene means it is a part of DNA which forms the complete RNA, and this RNA, it forms protein, and the protein is responsible for the formation of the particular characters. For suppose it forms the chin shape or eye color or skin color or hair color, like this. Each and every character in the organism is depends upon the gene. So this is about gene. Then we are going to next one. These chromosomes, commonly how many chromosomes are present in human cell? That is very, very important. In human cell, the human cell consists of 23 pairs of chromosomes. 23 pairs of chromosomes. Remember. So from these 23 pairs of chromosomes, here 22 pairs of chromosomes are same. 22 pairs. They are same type of chromosomes. So such kind of chromosomes are called autosomes. Autosomes. These autosomes are responsible. It is present in the vegetative part of the organisms. Then the remaining 23rd pair of chromosomes, these chromosomes are different. These chromosomes are different. What type of chromosomes? They are X and Y chromosomes. They are X and Y chromosomes. So these chromosomes are called allosomes. So these X and Y chromosomes, they are present in different mode in male and female. For example, one pair of allosome, if you see the male cell or sperm cell, which type of chromosomes are present here? XY chromosomes. When we observe the one pair of allosomes in the female cell, like ovum, so what kind of chromosomes are present? XX. Remember that. So this is about the chromosomes. Okay, these chromosomes, these 23 pairs, number is 46. These 46 chromosomes which are present in the human cell, they are having the same location. The character, for suppose eye color, either both parents, like maternal and paternal, like that. How we are going to call such kind of chromosomes? Okay, Now I am going to discuss about the next keyword. Understood? What is inheritance? What is variation? Then what is chromosomes? Where they are located? And how they are look like. Before the cell division, chromosome is look like this normal chromosome, and this is the replicated chromosome. That means a replicated DNA inside the chromosome. It forms the exact copy of the DNA. So total 23 pairs of chromosomes. They are divided into two types, autosomes and allosomes. Autosomes are 22 pairs, allosome are 1 pair. They are two types, X and Y. In males XY, females XX. Okay, now coming to the next keyword of this chapter, see. Okay, next one, homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes. So what is homologous chromosome? See, for suppose I will draw the diagram chromosome. For suppose this is one chromosome. During the cell division time, look like this, remember. And this is another chromosome. See, for suppose these two chromosomes are parental chromosomes. For suppose this chromosome is a maternal chromosome. Maternal chromosome. Maternal means female cell, which is present in the female cell. Then it is a paternal. Paternal. This is called what? Paternal. I will use blue color. Paternal chromosome. See, maternal means it is belongs to female. Remember. And paternal means male. See, already you know very well, the chromosomes, it consists of DNA inside of the double stranded DNA like this. Double stranded DNA. See, here also paternal chromosomes also having a double stranded DNA. Here also double stranded DNA. See, here for suppose this portion of the DNA we are called as a gene. So for suppose this is one gene, and here this is also one gene. So what is the meaning of gene? A part of DNA. A part of DNA. Here also one part. Here also one part. See, this part of DNA we are called as a gene. For suppose this gene is belongs to the, it is able to give the eye color. For suppose it able to give eye color. It is responsible for eye color gene. Which type of gene? Eye color. In the same location, in the maternal chromosome also having here also same eye color gene. See here, for suppose the hair color gene, and here also same position, hair color gene. See, when we observe the maternal chromosomes and paternal chromosomes, the same genes, they are present on the same location of DNA. See, this gene is related to eye color, and here also gene, where they are located exactly same location. That means same position. So, two genes, they are present in the same position in the both paternal and maternal. Such kind of chromosomes are called homologous chromosomes. Understood? Homologous chromosomes means same genes present in the same position of the different chromosomes. See, same genes present on same position in different chromosomes. Remember. So such kind of chromosomes we are called as a homologous chromosomes. Okay. Now coming to the next keyword is called dominance. See, what is dominance? Dominance means the expressed character is called dominance. For suppose, I will give an example. For suppose this is a maternal chromosome and this is the paternal chromosome. So this is the maternal and this is the paternal. Then inside of the chromosome having double stranded DNA like this. So part of the DNA is called what? Genes, like this. Both are called what? Gene. Okay. For suppose this portion of the gene, it decide the black eye color. For suppose it decide the black eye color. For suppose this part of the gene, it consists of brown eye color. See, both are responsible for the eye color only, but one gene, it is able to produce the black eye color, and second gene, it is able to produce the brown eye color. So this is a maternal, this is a paternal chromosome. So which kind of gene we are seen in the offspring? Which kind of gene means, remember, black eye color is always, it is a dominant character. It is a expressed character. So in upcoming offspring, we will see in the black color eye. Why black color eye? Black color is always dominance. That is called dominance. Dominance means expressive character or expressed character. In offsprings. in offsprings. Remember. Okay. Then next another one is keyword is called recessive. Recessive character. So what is recessive? See, I will take the same diagram for the recessive explanation. See, in both genes, only black gene only, black eye color only expressed in the new offspring. But this brown eye color is not exposed in the new generation. For that reason, which is not expressed in the offspring, such kind of gene is called recessive. That means character. Such kind of character is called what? Recessive character. See, recessive means which character is not expressed in the offsprings, but it is present, but we will not seen in the offspring. Why? This character is a recessive. Recessive means the character which is not expressed in the offspring, that is called what? Recessive. Okay. Next, if you want to screenshot, please take screenshot. Okay, coming to the another type of keywords in this chapter. See, next one, homozygous. So homozygous means same gene and same character. See, when we observe the chromosome, see, I will draw here one maternal chromosome and also here paternal chromosome, maternal and paternal. Inside double stranded DNA. Here also inside double stranded DNA. Part of DNA is called what? Gene. So, same gene having same character. That means, for suppose, here also black eye color. It decide black eye color. This gene decide black eye. In the maternal also, this also decide black eye color. So, two chromosomes. In the two chromosomes, they are maternal and paternal chromosomes. In the same genes, they provide the same characters. That means two genes, they provide the same character. That is called what? Homozygous. Next, the second one is called heterozygous. See, heterozygous means here also chromosome, two chromosomes, maternal and paternal. Inside the chromosomes consist of double stranded DNA See, but here what is the difference from homozygous and heterozygous means, for suppose here in this region, in this part of the DNA, that means this gene is responsible for black eye color. Black eye color. But the second maternal chromosome part of the gene is responsible for the brown eye color. Brown eye color. So like this kind of arrangements we are seen in the chromosomes, this is called heterozygous. Homo means same. So same genes and same character. That means same trait. You have to write that same trait. So trait means same color. For suppose if you take the eye color, both are black only. Black is black means color means character. Which type of color? Black color. So black color indicates it is one type of trait. Remember. So but in the same genes, here also both are same genes, and the genes having different traits, that is called heterozygous. Homozygous chromosomes and also heterozygous chromosomes. Okay, now finally one more important keyword, that is called gamete formation. Gamete formation. So for example, here I will take one gamete. How the gamete will form means they are in the male. I will take male. So this is the spermatogonia cell. Spermatogonia. So this spermatogonia cell, it consists of the chromosomes like this. This is one chromosome, and also this is another chromosome. See, in these chromosomes, the spermatogonia further divides. That means further it forms the male cells or sperm cells. See here, for suppose in this chromosome, this is a normal chromosome. Commonly first I will draw the single chromosome. See, these are the two chromosomes. These are normal chromosomes which are not involved in the cell division. Once it involves in the cell division, see, the DNA is replicate like this. For suppose this is blue eye color. For suppose blue eye color gene. This chromosome consists of blue eye color gene. Then once this chromosome inside the DNA, it is replicate, it start replicate, the exact copy of the DNA, it forms into here. So this also belongs to this new chromosome, also contain which type of eye color? Blue eye color. Blue eye color. Why it is also blue eye color means, so this chromosome inside the DNA, it forms exact copy of the one more DNA. So here blue eye color is present. So exactly blue eye color gene it will be forms. So coming to the second type of chromosomes. In this chromosomes, for suppose it consists of blue eye color gene. Inside the DNA, it consists of blue eye color. Blue eye color gene. So here also, when this chromosome also which is enters into the cell division, it also forms the exact copy of DNA like this. Exact copy of DNA. So this exact copy of DNA, it also having which character or which type of gene, sorry, not blue, black, sorry, black. So black eye color gene, black eye color gene. So once the cell starts into divide, when it participates in the cell division, the chromosomes are given to their offsprings. See how, what kind of characters we will see in the offsprings. See, spermatogonia, once the spermatogonia start to divide and it forms 4 sperm cells or 4 male gametes. It forms the 4 male gametes. Why we are called 4 male gametes means they are participate in the meiosis process. The end of the meiosis, how many daughter cells will form? 4 daughter cells. Here the 4 daughter cells are forms the 4 male gametes. So what are the 4 male gametes means? They are sperm cells like this. So this is one sperm cell and this is second and this is third and this is fourth. Like these 4 are sperm cells. See which type of eye color we are seen in these 4 sperm cells. That is important. See here, this chromosome split into, given to half of the chromosomes into each cell. For suppose first I will take this complete chromosome. During the cell division, this chromosome is split by the spindle fibers. Each chromosome reaches into one. See here one chromosome, here also one more chromosome. So these 2 chromosomes are belongs to which character containing eye color? Blue. See both chromosomes are consist of blue eye color. It is responsible to decide the blue eye color. So coming this black, this chromosome also split into 2 and sent to their sperm cells or new cells. So which kind of gene present here? It is black. Black color eye gene. So this is belongs to black eye color. Okay, see in the during the gamete formation, either male or female, see here 50% of blue color and 50% of the eye color. That means 50-50 chances. So gamete, during the gamete formation, all 4 gametes are not similar genes. So 50% of the cells having one type of genes, one type of character containing genes. The remaining 50% other type of genes. So like that 50%, see here 50% of the characters are same and remaining 50% of the characters are different characters. So this kind of variation will helps to see the so many evolutions in upcoming generation. So this is the major importance we are seeing in the upcoming organisms. They have more evolution. So these are the responsible for the evolution. Okay students, these are all important keywords. This and all introduction of this chapter. The next class we are going to the main topic. If you understand this topic, please subscribe my channel and like my video, share my video to your friends and your relatives. Okay, thank you very much.